Jackson on trial. Jury selection underway in the trial of Mayor Frank Jackson's grandson.
The 22-year-old is facing felonious assault and abduction charges after police say he attacked a woman last summer. 5 Year Side investigator Scott Knoll live inside the Justice Center. Scott,
prosecutors already dropped 2 of the charges against Frank Q. Jackson.
Yeah, those were 2 felony counts of failure to comply. Prosecutors said this morning they just didn't have the evidence to support those right now, but the 2 most serious charges in this case remain. Frank Q. Jackson in court on trial after CMHA police say he punched, choked, and hit an 18-year-old woman with a metal trailer hitch last June. These are police photographs of what investigators say were the woman's injuries. Jackson wasn't charged until September. Initially, City of Cleveland prosecutors declined to file charges, claiming a lack of evidence in the case and that the victim didn't want to prosecute. But the Cuyahoga County Prosecutor's Office picked up the case and secured felony indictments against Jackson. During day 1 of jury selection, Jackson's attorney asked potential jurors to focus on the facts and to consider the notion of self-defense in what he called a case handpicked by the prosecutor's office.
I want you to look out for what some of the motivations may have been in this case to even bring this case. Because just like we don't want special treatment because he is the grandchild of Frank Jackson, we don't want disparate or disproportionately negative treatment either.
Jury selection is expected to wrap up here tomorrow morning. The entire case expected to wrap up later this week. And as of right now, the defense says there are no plans to put Frank Q. Jackson on the witness stand to testify on his own behalf. Reporting live, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.